Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be sharing how to make this origami flower that I have decorated with some of my digital roses to do like a really nice composition. Keep watching and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, so the starting point is a square and we need 8 of those. I'm going to show you in just a second how quick and easy it is to make them. So as per origami, always use something that is really thin, like really thin paper. I'm using just a book page, okay, because it's really thin. So what we normally do when we do this sort of like project, we start with a cross. So we fold it in half both ways. Then we create the diagonal line. So we fold in the paper following the diagonal line. The other side as well. Okay, my pieces are 3 by 3, but you can make them any size as long as it's a square. And then what you do guys, you simply pinch this cord line on the bottom in order to create, and I'm going to show you in just a sec, this sort of shape. I've not done a really good job in folding them, but never mind. So you pinch this line and that one together like so. Okay, so you got to create this sort of shape, and then with the tip facing yourself, okay, we're going to fold this corner up to the middle line, like creating this sort of shape, like a little airplane, I guess. And then we do it the same on the other side. So if the tip's up, fold it until you reach the halfway line, the middle line. Okay, so it looks like that. It's very simple. Okay, so we have 8 of those. So let's start from 1. Let's get 1 first. And then you can work clockwise or anti-clockwise. It's completely up to you. I'm going to work clockwise. So I get the other one. And then the left side, so this bit goes inside, but we're just going to put some glue on it. And I got here, I prepped my glue. So I literally put this one inside. So it goes like so. So you basically need to fold it until you can't get any further. Okay, and then we're gonna carry on all of them. So I'll get another piece. Okay, so if I close the flap, we're gonna put the glue here on this bit. And then this goes inside there. Again, until you can't go any further. So it looks like that. Now, to make it look a bit neater, to understand what's going on, I will also glue down each petal. Okay, so the one that we fold over, we're just going to glue it down as well. It's done and nearly all dry. So all the petals here are glued down. You see how nice and neat looks like now. And then for the center, I'm just going to use one of my brads, not to make it twisted because it won't twist. It's just purely for decoration. So I quite like the yellow, but also the pink or the pale pink. Do you go for pale pink? Yeah, I think I'm gonna, yeah, put that in the middle. Like that. Okay, and then as a decoration, I got here one of my digital papers. I'm just gonna cut the roses, put it all together. that's it. And I put it all together like that. Let me just zoom in so you can see it. Sorry about the glue on my finger. But yes, you can make this as bigger as you want, or as tiny as you want. And also I just think with the little pink and flowers, I think it works really, really well together. I mean, this is a fantastic piece if you put on your journal, or even if you do like a very large card. That's quite an outstanding piece. This is my website, antoniomakes.com. Of course, it's June, so throughout the month of June we have a summer sale. I only do 2 sales a year, one just after Christmas and one in June for summer sale. All my digital papers, so if you click on digital papers here, all my digital papers are discounted up to 50% off. Some are less, some are more. You can get your hands on my Christmas paper for literally half price. All my books are half price. Every single one of them, from £3.99 to £2. So again, throughout from the 1st of June until the 30th of June. And then when you join my monthly membership, so my VIP lounge, where every month you get, when you join the £2 a month, you get 30% discount across everything on my website. So all my papers, all my book will be 30% off. Unique digital design and collection. So every month you will be able to download paper that's specifically designed for my VIP members. Digital bookmarks and tags. Again, they will change on a monthly basis. A digital magazine you can download and read, and also you can create. A gift box template. We do in alphabet, and then soon we're going to move into numbers. And last is a gift from me every month, which is an additional papers pack. Yeah, you get quite a lot for £2 a month, which the cheaper is less than the price of a coffee. You can opt out to the £5 ones, which you get everything that you get with the £2 month, but as an additional, you get a digital book of your choice from my online catalogue. So when you go into my book, you get one of these every month. You decide, so you can collect them all. And these are the lovely feedback from my VIP members. And here on the corner, my social media tags as well. Okay, guys, so grab your sale items throughout June. It just, as I said, is one-off sale. The next one will be around Christmas. So grab your summer crafty goodies. And yeah, big thumbs up if you like this video. And until next time, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.